Research project after research project. Are you worn out from how much time they consume? So am I. I'm Haley Birdwell, and I'm about to teach you a faster and more efficient way to create research projects using Google Explorer. Usually, in a regular research project, you would have multiple browsers pulled up and have done extensive research before you even start to build your project. Well, with using Google Explorer, you can do all this from one tab. Google Explorer is the small button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, or located at the top in your toolbars under Tools. You can think of this as Google. If you have typed the title of your topic you're researching on Google Explorer, will pull up related results that could benefit your project. Google Explorer can serve as three functions. For the first function, you can have Google Explorer pull up web pages that will give you information about the person or the topic that you're researching. In my circumstance, if I'm researching Abraham Lincoln, I typed in Abraham Lincoln and it pulls up a number of different sources for me to get information. If I wanted to be more specific, I could just type in his birth and it will take me and tell me directly February 12th, 1809. So for my research project, I can take that information and add it straight to my project. Like so. The other function that Google Explorer serves is for inserting images. So as long as you type in your topic that you're wanting, I'm going to stick with Abraham Lincoln. You can search images and scroll through and pick the one that you would like to. Now this is probably my favorite Google Explorer function just because it is so easy and efficient. If I choose this, I click on the picture and all I have to do is press insert and it puts it into my project for me. The third function that Google Explorer serves is if you have any previous Google tools that you've used before that you've made, you can automatically insert them into your project. So for instance, if I go and I click on my Explorer and I type in Abraham Lincoln, I'm going to hit on the last one that says Drive. So here it shows a previous Google document that I have already made with information about Abraham Lincoln. So I'll click on this and it takes me straight there. So here I can look and I can refer back to things that I've written down. So maybe it's your research that you're referring back to, or data, statistics, things of that sort. Okay, so you could just think of Google Explorer as a mini Google, and then it will make your research projects much easier and efficient. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial over Google Explorer.